Welcome to my channel, Anki Talks. My name is Ankita Verma, and for today, I've got for you a video which says how to stay motivated even when you don't feel like. So let's get real. Motivation doesn't show up every day. Some mornings, getting out of the bed or even brushing your teeth seems like a big win. Sounds familiar, right? And let me tell you, I'm not saying you are lazy, you are very much human, and this is something which is very, very common with everybody. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you some very simple ways to stay motivated even when you don't feel like. Interesting? Come on, let's get started. Alright, let's see some ways to stay motivated. The very first one is also a clarification point that motivation is not magic. Most people wait for motivation to happen and appear magically, but that definitely does not happen, my friend. But motivation actually follows action, not the other way around. You don't get motivated and then you act. You first act, you see the results. They bring in that positivity and confidence, and hence you get motivated. The second way is the power of small wins. Break your big goals into micro goals. It actually makes life easier. And because of those micro goals, you have smaller wins in life which end up motivating you. For example, you want to write a book. Start with 100 words. You want to lose weight. Start with 2 times a week to the gym, or maybe 5 to 10 push ups, or 30-40 minutes of cardio. You want to read a book. In that case, start with at least 1 page a day. So you see, these small little goals end up leading to a big one. And when you're able to do these small tasks, there's a little bit of positivity and encouragement that comes in, and hence it motivates you to keep going. And motivation loves progress. So as you keep progressing in these goals, your motivation level will increase for sure. The third way is know your why. When things get tough, it's very important to know as to why are you doing it. Why and what is that reason which is going to keep you going? Is it your dream? Is it your family? Is it your self-respect? Is it your career? Be whatsoever, write it down. Look at it more often. Let your why be so loud that your excuses take a backseat. Let me share an example with you. While I was at my professional career front, while I was working with an organization, one of my tasks was to ensure that there's motivation which is leading to business happening. I still remember we would do activities for our salespeople where we would make them design a poster, a small little A4 size, and they would actually draw their dreams. Maybe it shows they're taking their family to a vacation, they want to buy a new car, maybe refurnish their house, or buy something for their child. And that little poster would be there at their workstation and in front of their almirah at their home. What would happen? Each time, either they're at their workplace or at their house, that one poster, that one reason why they should be achieving their targets or earning their incentives would always be there in front of them. And whenever there is a level of dip in terms of the motivation or confidence, this little poster screaming your why would always keep them motivated. Let me tell you, a tried and tested and a very effective tip. The fourth way is make it easy. The more tough you make it, the more difficult it becomes to stay motivated or motivate yourself in the very beginning. If you want to read a book, keep a book by your pillow. If you want to write, keep your journal and that pen by your bedside. If you want to build a habit of going to the gym regularly, take your clothes out. I have done that, frankly telling you, and it does help at times. Like I told you in one of my previous videos, I'm one person who had struggled in the past to go to the gym, and even today at times I feel a little laid back. So, what do? I myself take out my clothes and put them on the side, and I keep seeing them. And it becomes very easy for me to grab them, change my clothes, and head to the gym. And hence, it keeps me motivated all the time. A very easy way to actually make things easy. Try it for yourself also. The fifth one is motivation versus discipline. Motivation is a spark, but discipline is the engine. I know you'll be able to relate it very easily every morning, especially the Monday mornings when you get up and you just don't feel like going to work. It could be the weather, it could be the long weekend, or maybe any third reason due to which you feel like, I don't wish to go to work today. But some days you run in excitement, some days you run because of your moral responsibility. So that discipline gradually helps you get motivated. Build those routines. Stick to them even when they're boring, be it the gym, the book, or maybe going to work, or maybe any other habit which you've been trying to build, or any such activity which you know is going to gradually build motivation for you. But it all starts first with discipline. The moment you start getting used to it, you start seeing those small results, you will automatically get motivated. So, with all these ways that I've shared with you, which are going to help you stay motivated even when you don't feel like, you might be thinking it's so easy for her to say on that side of the camera, but it's very difficult when it actually has to be done. Let me tell you, my dear friends, these are all tried and tested ways. They take a little bit of time and a little bit of courage and push to actually start doing. As I always keep saying, the first step is the most difficult one. Once you've taken that first step, build that discipline or broken your goals into smaller pieces, start building that habit, start celebrating your small wins. Motivation is just round the corner and it is automatically going to come your way. I know you won't feel like it at times, but you don't need to also. Just start small. Stay consistent. I'm sure your future is going to thank you and you are gradually going to thank yourself. If you like this video, please do press the like button. Share with people who at times feel demotivated. They will be thankful to you for sure. Do subscribe to my channel and put the notifications on so that you do not miss out on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you with the next topic. Bye bye.